What's the meaning of attire? Attire. Attire.
Attire. Attire. Attire refers to the clothing or outfit that someone is wearing. It can also refer to a particular style of dress or clothing that is appropriate for a certain occasion or profession. The choice of attire can communicate something about a person's social status, cultural background, or personal style. Dress codes often dictate what type of attire is appropriate for different settings, such as formal events, business meetings, or casual outings. Overall, one's attire can convey important social cues and signals that can influence how they are perceived by others.